Hey guys, welcome to Excel tips and tricks. So in today's video, this is a part 1 of Excel tips and tricks. So we'll be seeing some basic things. We are going to see how to format a cell and how to change the font type, font style and font color and font size of a specific cell. So all these things you can do in a single place, which is called format cell. How to do that we are going to see in today's video. Excel is a life hack, so let's see. So what you have to do is you have to just right click on the cell in which you want to apply all these changes, and from the options you can see there is format cells. Click on that, and now there are various options available. There is number, there is alignment, there is font, border, fill and protection. Now I'm going to only concentrate on font in this video. In this font option, for this font tab, there are various categories available. There is font family, there is font style, size, color, and there is different types of underline options available, and also there is various effects. So we are going to apply some specific things to my cell. So I have selected this cell, which is B9. So I'm going to apply some styles or some changes to my cell B9. Okay, so I'm going to select first a font family. So I'm going to select like Calibri itself, Calibri light headings. I have selected that. You can select whatever option you are interested in. You are going to next select font style. If you want to change the font style to italic or bold italic, various options available. I'm going to select bold italic. You can change the size to whatever size you want to. I'm going to change it as 24. Then next is change the color. I'm going to change it to red color. And the next thing is underline. If you want to underline that, you can do it. I'm going to just give a single underline. Anyway, whatever options or whatever changes you are making, you can see the changes are getting previewed here. Okay, so you can see that this is how the cell is going to look like. Okay, now if you want to have a strike through, means if you want to cut down that word or sentence or whatever you have written there, it is possible. You can change it to superscript or subscript. Okay, you can only select one of this option, either superscript or subscript. I'm going to just apply like a superscript. Okay, and then click on OK. Now you can see all the changes have been affected on my cell B9. So this is how you change the font family, font size, font style, and various other changes which is font related to a specific cell using format cell. Okay, so if the video is useful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.